Well, hello and welcome. My channel is called Sparkles to Silver Locks and more. I'm super excited because today I'm going to do my first wash. And the next day, tomorrow, will be my first retie. So I thought that I would show you what I'm going to do based on what my consultant instructed me to do, and just kind of share that and show you what it looks like afterwards. So right now, it's stretched out because of the Sisterlocks. I haven't had any water on it, so there's no coil, no curl. So I'm really excited about seeing my curls again. And what she instructed me to do was to braid it up and protect the ends. So this is what I did. I've got the little rubber bands that came in the package. And then the biggest thing is for me to focus on getting to my roots and to hopefully make sure that nothing unravels. She did say she wanted me to dry my hair immediately because water is not going to be my friend, she said. So I'm looking forward to just seeing how this works. I just want to show you guys what I did. Like I said, it's just twisted at the ends. And then, and I haven't checked the back, so hopefully I didn't miss anything. And so it's just twisted and we protected the ends. So I should be able to get up in there, and I decided I'm probably not gonna run water on it, but I've take maybe a little cup and pour it on there so it's not as much pressure, because I do already know that there's some pieces that, like this one, I mean, it's just kind of, certain ones I feel like are hanging by a thread. Like they are definitely, I couldn't get that tied in, but I feel like they're definitely, they have the most potential to unravel. But I'm excited because I've been wanting to wash my hair for a while. So looking forward to my first wash with Sisterlocks. It's been 30 days, almost 30 days now. And so I will let you know how it turns out. I am so excited. I just finished washing my hair, so I'm gonna take it out. And while I take it out, I'll just tell you guys what I did. So went into the shower, and I probably should use some scissors, but this is my first time taking my hair out after a wash. I've gotta get ready for a meeting. So this is how it's looking. And look at that, I'm getting my curls back, yay. My little wave. So I'm excited about this journey. I do believe a few, let's see here. This one's on its last leg. It's still got a little knot there, but I don't know. So we're gonna retighten tomorrow, so that's good. Yeah, so it was really nice to have my hair washed. So now I'm getting back to my natural curl that I have, because when I prepared for my Sisterlocks, I ended up braiding it, you know, so that it wouldn't tangle up again. And that stretched my hair. So for the last few weeks, I think I was overzealous here. I must not have realized I had put a rubber band on here already. So yeah, so it ended up that it just stretched my hair out. So it was straight for these last 3 or 4 weeks. And I was like, oh no, when you have fine, low density hair, you always want to, at least I do, want to have it look thick and healthy and things like that. So I ended up having to endure endure for the last few weeks. But like, so far I am really so happy. You know, water may not be my friend, as my consultant said, but I like it for the fact that it's going to make my hair you know, shrink up. I'm okay with shrinkage. I never really had a concern about shrinkage, even as a natural. I mean, I just, you just kind of deal with it, right? So just wanted to show you guys, and it seems like the technique worked of twisting it, keeping it loose at the root. I'm gonna blow dry the rest so that it'll get dry, and work on that, making sure it gets dry, because she said you don't want to let it get you don't want it to stay wet. At least that's what she said. So I'm following, but I am really pleased. This journey it's a journey. So just want to enjoy every moment of it, even the moment where, I wasn't necessarily in love with my hair being so straight, but I was in love with the fact of the journey. So I think with these locks, it's really important to enjoy every step. I hope one of the things for me is my hair it's always been super frizzy. So we'll see how it looks when it completely dries. And it'll probably shrink up. So I just wanted to come on here, show you how I took it out for the first time, and then we can see together how it dries up and what it ends up looking like. So that's where we're at right now. And like I said, day before the retie, that's what we have going here. But it feels so good to have a clean scalp. Let's just say that. And that's what I mainly focused on, was the scalp, and then let the water and the shampoo just kind of go through my hair. So I'm excited. And like I said, we'll see how it looks when it dries. When it fully dries, because right now it is damp. And I used a a t-shirt to like squeeze just any residual water out. And I also used the Sisterlocks starter shampoo. I believe that the shampoo that came in my starter kit. Super excited, guys. Thank you. If you enjoyed any of this, please like, share, subscribe. But I'll be back to show you how it looks when it dries. So this is how my hair is looking after it has completely dried. It is no longer damp. I spent about 5 minutes drying it. I'm not used to using a blow dryer on my hair, so it felt like it was dry, and then a few minutes later, I started to feel that it was still damp. So, but I had to jump into a meeting, and in the course of that meeting, it dried. So it is fully dry now, and I knew that it would have some shrinkage, and I also was anticipating that my hair would be a little frizzy on the ends, but it looks nice. Like, I love it. I love the fullness that I'm now getting, because before, it was just straight flat, and now I'm getting a little bit more shape with it. I got to get used to the fact that I'm not putting any product on it, which is a good thing. Like, I'm okay with that, but it feels different to come out of the shower and not put a product on there. So there's like one of the that's a pretty long strand there. And you see it's coiling at the end there. So it's just fuller. I love it. I love it. I am so excited about what can happen. There are some locks that were put in on my sides. This one is completely gone. She's gonna have to definitely relock that one. I think if I run my finger through it, it's gonna unravel. But for the most part, most of them, there's one that was back here that I was really concerned that it would unravel. It still kind of stayed intact, but it's still, it's fragile. So for a first wash, it feels good, for one, to have my hair washed. But it's also nice to see the hair bend again. So I am really excited. Again, I'm just on that whole kick that I need to enjoy every step of the journey. The first 30 days that I didn't get to wash my hair and it was straight and kind of flat, I dealt with it. I knew it wasn't my ideal, but I still enjoyed it. I still was appreciative of what I was experiencing. And I learned something about my hair, it can straighten out pretty quickly, and yeah, with no heat. So that was something proven out. But I'm just loving it. This is not from a braid out or anything. This is just my hair trying to go back to coils again. And so we'll see what happens with it. And when I started, if you watch any of the previous videos, you'll see that there was like a long piece of hair that I was like, what's going to happen with that? And it's standing out here too. So maybe when it's time for me to get my first cut, I'll be able to get it shaped, and maybe they'll be able to cut that and, blend it in with the rest of my hair. But I think my first cut probably won't be until a year, I guess. So maybe another 11 months. So we're going to work with what we've got, and thank you for watching. And the next time that I film, the goal is that I'm going to show you what my hair looks like after it's been retied. So I will just kind of give you guys a view of what it looks like pre-retie. After 30 days, you can see what's going on. And I'll just kind of do a 360 view here, so you can see what's happening pre-retie. See how it looks? See how it looks here? Pre-retie. And it is pretty loose at the scalp. So maybe eventually I'll start trying different hairstyles, but for now, we're probably just gonna keep it easy and basic. All right, we'll see you again. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, join the community, and I'll keep you posted on my journey. Take care.